Okay, today we'll see a new topic called fill series. Generally, if we need to write any numbers like serial numbers, if we are writing, generally what we do, we'll write 1, 2, we'll select these two and we'll drag, right? If we want 100, we'll drag till 100, so on. If we want more than 100, like 150 or something, we have to drag it and we have to check again. So this is like a tedious task. Yes, manual work we are not doing. We are just dragging the mouse and dragging up to our requirement. But this is not the case. Like if we want some 1,000 numbers in a serial, we have to drag like this and we have to wait. So rather than this, we have an option called fill series in Excel, wherein we can, the name itself says fill series, means in a series it will fill numbers. Okay. And how it will do and what prerequisites or requirements we have to give, we'll see. So first we'll see, this is our requirement. Whole numbers we need from 10 till 10,000. So from what is our starting starting number, we have to mention here. We want from 10. So I'm just entering 10 here. And then to open the fill series, the shortcut key is Alt-E-I-S. Okay, simultaneously, whenever we are entering any shortcut with Alt, it is not required to type it simultaneously. We can do it like one after the other, like Alt-E-I-S. So we'll get a small dialog box calling series. Okay. The first one we'll see, series in rows or columns. We want it in column or row? We want it in column. So we need to select this column. And regarding this type, we'll see it later. Right now, it is linear. Why? Because we want it one after the other. So we'll select this. We'll see the other options in next examples. And here comes the step value. What is the step value? Step value means nothing but, see, our requirement is whole numbers from 10 to 10,000. That means 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, so on. So what is our step value? Our step value is 1. Step value is nothing but the incremental value. 10, after that you want 11, 12, 13. So the increment is 1. So that is the step value. Step value is here 1. And what is our stop value? Stop value is nothing but our requirement is from 10 till 10,000. So stop value is 10,000. Click OK. See, it is 10 and I have just opened that shortcut like Alt-E-I-S. I have opened that small window. I have given the step value and the stop value. That's it. Till 10,000, we got it. Is that clear? In the same way, our next requirement is whole numbers from 101 to 120. Whole numbers from 101 to 120 means 101, 102, 103, so on till 120. So what is our first number? Starting number?
101.
101. Fine. And then we have to open that. For opening that fill series, what is the shortcut? Alt-E-I-S. Yes, the series should be in column because I want the numbers in column. And the step value will be the same 1 because here also it is from 101, 102, 103, so on. And the stop value will be 120. Click OK. That's it. Is that clear? Okay. Here we will see even numbers from 20 till 60. Even numbers from 20 till 60. So what is the starting number? 20. So after that, what are the even numbers? 20,
22,
22, 24, 26, 28, so on. Then, so the starting number is 20, sorry, and Alt E I S. So the series should be in columns. And what would be the step value?
2.
20.
How it will be 20? Okay.
2.
Yeah. So if I give 20, stop value will be till 60. So what it will come? 20, 40, 60. So between 20 and 60, only these three are the even numbers? No. 20, 22. So you have to guess in that way, like once it is 20, the next even number is 22. So what is the difference between those two?
2.
2. So that would be the step value. Alt E I S. It is in columns. Step value is 2 and stop value is till 60. We want to be our requirement. So I'll give the stop value 60 and click OK. That's it. Is it clear? Same way you can get the odd numbers also. If anyone asks odd numbers from 20 till 60 or some from 1 till 30. So here is the starting number 1, right? Alt EIS. Either it is odd or even. The step value will be the same. Only the difference will be the starting value. If the starting value is even number, you will get all the even numbers. If the starting value is odd, you will get all the odd numbers. समझ में नहीं आया? देखें अभी स्टार्टिंग वैल्यू 2 है, समझिए 2 से अगर आप स्टेप वैल्यू 2 दे रहे हैं तो 2, 4, 6, 8 सो ऑन आएगा, मींस इवन नंबर्स आ रहे हैं. अगर स्टार्टिंग नंबर 1 दे रहे हैं, स्टार्टिंग जो, और स्टेप वैल्यू 2 दे रहे हैं तो क्या क्या आएगा? 1, 3, 5, 7. सो वो सब ऑड नंबर्स है. वही मैं बोल रहा हूँ, बस लॉजिक एक ही है, बट स्टार्टिंग नंबर चेंज होने से इवन या ऑड चेंज हो जाएंगे. Okay, so here my starting number is 1. So I want the odd number. So the step value will be the same 2 and stop value is something. I'll take 20 or something. So I got all the odd numbers. So even though I gave 20, so once it comes to 19 and it will add 2, it is exceeding my stop value. That's why it has stopped here. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Our next requirement. Whole numbers from 10 to -10. So my starting number is 10. Alt EIS. So now tell me what would be the step value and stop value?
-1.
Okay. So the series.
Step value and stop value will be -10.
Yeah, Ramadevi, what would be the step value?
-1.
Hello.
Yeah.
Step value will be -1.
Yes, -1. So here the series should be in columns. You should change this. If at all, if it is staying like this and you click OK, our series will come in this way. I'll show you. 1 second. For example, 10. I'm selecting here Alt EIS. And if I'm not changing this to column, and if I'm giving my step value as -1 here and stop value as -10, click OK. Our series will come in rows because we have not changed that. Alt EIS. So here our series should be in column. Step value will be -1. Why? It has asked from 10 till -10. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 0, -1, -2, -10. So what is the difference? The difference is -1. So the step value will be the same. And the stop value is based on a requirement, the stop value is -10. Click OK. So we got. Now my requirement is whole numbers from -10 till 0. That means how it should come: -10, -9, -8, -7, so on till 0. Now tell me what would be the step value. My start value is -10. Fine. Alt EIS and the series should be in columns. What should be the step value?
+1.
+1. Perfect. Stop value is 0. Click OK. Clear? Requirement is -10 to 0. Okay. So what is the starting number? -10. And how to open the fill series? What is the shortcut? Okay, Alt EIS. Alt EIS. So I got the series in columns. And what would be the step value? -10 till 0 means -10, -9, -8. So what is the difference between -10 and -9? 1. So that would be the step value. And the stop value is based on the requirement, our stop value is 0. So 0, click OK. Fine. Next requirement is multiples of 10 up to 100. It is asking the multiples of 10 till 100. 10 multiples, where it will start? If I'm asking general basic question, multiples of 10. So what is the starting?
10.
10. Okay. 10 का multiple means 10 table ही समझिए. First starting क्या है? 10. So 10 से ही start होता है. Means मैं starting number बताने के लिए ये बोल रहा हूँ, क्योंकि उसने बस पूछा मुझे multiples of 10 till 100. So what would be my start number? For fill series, we have to give the start number. It's mandatory. So 10 is our start number. Now Alt EIS, series in columns. What would be my step value?
10.
10. And stop value, because our requirement was to stop till 100. So I have to give the stop value as 100. Click OK. So we got all the multiples of 10. Here, in another way also, we can fill a series. Right now, I mean, till now, what we have done, we have given the start number and we have given the stop value also. But for example, sometimes we have this range like this. For example, I'll delete this. I'm selecting this, so many these cells. See, I have selected some range. Okay. Sorry. The start is 10, and after that, I'm selecting some range. And I want to fill the multiples of 10 in this particular range. Okay. Alt EIS. See, now once I have selected particular column, okay, it has automatically detected the column. Till now, I was just selecting the first cell, and whenever I was opening the series window, fill series window, it was defaultly selecting the rows. Right, open the rows. In this particular thing, it was selecting. Right now, I have selected a particular column to fill it. So it has automatically selected the column. And what would be my step value? My step value is 10. And no need to give the stop value here. Why? Because I have selected that particular range I have selected. So till then, it will automatically fill the series. Previously, I was not selecting that range, so I need to specify the stop value. Here I have selected that particular range, so there is no need to specify the stop value. You just click OK. It will automatically fill till that particular last selected cell. नहीं, I mean stop value देने की जरूरत नहीं है जब मैं range select करता हूँ. नहीं करता हूँ तो obviously देना पड़ेगा. नहीं तो last, I mean
column select करेगा तो only 10.
10 means जो step value है वो देना है बस. हाँ, ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाता. स्टॉप वैल्यू देने की जरूरत नहीं है. Is this clear? Online guys, it's clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now we'll see, till now we have seen with numbers, we'll see with dates. Even dates also we can fill in a series. For example, in a particular table, we are like if there is any sales data for any company, obviously sales will be on daily basis, and you need to fill the dates column for consider 6 months. So it is using this fill series within like 1 or 2 seconds. You have to give the starting date and end date. It will automatically fill the series within few seconds. So we'll see till now we have seen examples for the numbers, and now we'll see date filling. So here our requirement is date filling May 1st, 2021 till June 30, 2021. Okay. So the first starting date, obviously we need to give. That is mandatory. Here, one thing you need to understand, and like date format in Excel is same as your system date and time, date format. For example, in my system, the date format is month, date, and year. Whatever is the format in my system, the same will applicable to Excel also, default. Okay. If in your laptop or in your system, the date format is DDMMYY, means date, month, and year, then Excel also the default will be DDMMYY. So here mine is month. So 05/01/2021. Enter. So I have entered the starting date, Alt EIS, series in columns. The step value will be obviously 1. Why? Because I want the series from May 1st till June 30. Every date like May 1st, May 2nd, May 3rd till June 30. So the step value will be 1. What will be the stop value? The stop value you have to give 30th of June 2021. So 06-30-2021. Click OK, and it will fill from 1st of May till 30th of June. Is it clear?
Yes.
The next requirement is weekday, Monday till Friday of any month you can take, right? Or we'll take from May 1st itself till June 30th, whatever are the weekdays, we are asking to list it out. Okay. So the starting date will be 05/01/2021. Fill series, Alt EIS, series and columns. See here, automatically it has selected date. Why? Because this is in a date format. And date unit, previously we have selected day and we have given the step value. Here there is an option to select weekday. Select the weekday. And what is the stop value?
5.
Stop value is our end date, like 30th June 2021. So 06/30 2021 and click OK. Here, no need to give the step value as 5. We have already mentioned, we have selected that option called weekday. So Excel will automatically consider weekdays as Monday till Friday. And based on that, it will omit. See,
Sir,
first 2021, I'll open the calendar once. First May is Saturday. So as we have given, see, this is our starting date. So this from this it will consider. So that's why it has mentioned over there. But the next one is, it has automatically taken, it has omitted the Sunday. From third, it is perfect. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, 8 and 9, it has omitted. Again, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and 16 are Saturday, so on. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Next is months. I want only the first of every month, like from Jan 2020 till December 2020. I want to list out first Jan 2020, first Feb 2020, so on. Okay. 01, 01, 2021. For example, I'll take that. Alt EIS, series in columns. Here I'll take month. And stop value is either I'll give current 01, 01, 2000, sorry, 0 July 1st, 2022. You see, it will populate 1st Jan 2021, Feb 1st, March 1st, April 1st, May, June, July, so on till July 1st, 2022. Month-wise dates here. Whatever I have given the first of every month, we can give any date. Month you give January, date you give 10th and give an year, and it will populate that particular 10th of Jan, 10th of Feb, 10th of March, so on. Is this clear? Now the next example, we will populate year-wise. From Jan 26, 1947 till Jan 26, 2050, I need to populate. So we'll get 26 Jan is our Republic Day. We'll get Republic Day date for every year starting from 1947. Is that clear? So 26 Jan will be common, and 26 Jan 1947, 26 Jan 1948, year-wise increment. That is the example. 01 is the month, 26 is the date, 1947 is the start date. Alt EIS, series in columns, and here date unit will take it as year. And stop is 01, 26, 2050. Click OK. See here, 1947, 48, 49, 50, 51, so on till 2050. So the next requirement is October 2021 month, only Sundays I want to populate. Only Sundays. For the month October. So October 2021, what is the first Sunday? We need that info. First Sunday is 3rd. So that will be my start date. So 03, sorry, October is 10, 03, 2021. Alt EIS, columns. Step value will be 7. Stop value will be the last day of that month. October has 30 days or yeah, 31.
31. 31.
2021. Click OK. So it will populate all that. We need to give the first date. It is mandatory. So once we give that first Sunday and we enter the step value, it will automatically give the Sundays of that particular month. October month the or else this month, this month's. What is this month currently? We are in which month right now?
Only select Sundays.
ఇది ఏ మంత్ ఈరోజు డేట్ ఎంత 7th ఈరోజు డేట్ 27th ఈరోజు డేట్ ఇది ఏ మంత్ ఇప్పుడు జూలైలో ఉన్నాం so this month Sundays we need to populate. So what was the first Sunday of this month? 3rd 07/03/2022. Alt EIS series in columns. So 3rd ni first Sunday వచ్చిందంటే generally ఎన్ని రోజుల తర్వాత వస్తుంది 7 days కదా week. So the step value is 7. Stop value is what is the last day of this month? 31. Click OK. In a particular month, if we want alternate days, take any month. For example, 06/01/2022. I have taken June 1st. We want alternate days of this particular month. Alt EIS, series in columns. Step value will be alternate days means if you are writing first, then the alternate day will be 3rd. Right? Alternate days is nothing but 1, 3, 5, 7.
2.
So step value will be 2. Stop value will be the last day of that particular month. 06/30/2022. Click OK. We get alternate days. This is one requirement, like first, for example, you have a number here 100 and 600. So you need to fill the between numbers with proper step value, like 100, 600. There are how many blanks here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So generally this is easier. So 200, 300, 400, 500. So the incremental value should be same. This is easy. But if it is 100 and 700, then what would be the incremental value? It is little bit difficult to calculate manually. So you select this total, range, Alt EIS, it will automatically show the step value here because there is the start value and stop value. It will automatically calculate the step value and you just click OK. It will fill the series. In the same way, I select this. I click Alt EIS. You see the step value to automatically generate because there is a start value and there is a stop value. And click OK. It will fill the series. Is this clear? स्टार्ट वैल्यू स्टॉप वैल्यू है, बीच में हमारा इंक्रीमेंटल वैल्यू पता करना है, तो ये वाला दो पूरा सेलेक्ट करके
Sir, actually then it will be in linear only.
Pardon me, I couldn't get you.
Yeah, that option will be that is will be linear only, right?
Yeah, linear one.
Linear. That also it will be automatically selected, right?
Which one will be automatically selected?
That linear also.
Yeah, it will be automatically. See, we have given this range.
Yeah.
I want the incremental value between these two numbers. So I've selected this range and I've opened this shortcut. It will automatically select linear and it will calculate the step value because there is a start value and stop value.
Okay. Okay.
So once we click OK, it will fill that series
Okay.
with the perfect incremental value.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. So now we'll see another example. Like for example, here. Okay. We are calculating, for example, corona cases. Like they have given that it is incremental by, I mean, it is multiplying by twice daily, multiplying by twice daily. That means on day one, if there is one case, on day two, 4, 8, multiplication by twice. Oh, so 8, so on. See, till here, I can manually write, or else till here I can write. But later it will be difficult. So to calculate like this growth type of cases, we can use the fill series also. So the first day it is one case. So if they have given us the same condition saying that it increases twice. So I'll select this. 30 days they're asking us to calculate. So I'll select this totally from day 1 till day 30. Alt EIS. Here I will select not the linear but the growth.
Automatically, number growth.
नहीं मैं सेलेक्ट कर रहा हूँ ग्रोथ क्योंकि मेरा रिक्वायरमेंट है. अभी तक मेरा रिक्वायरमेंट लीनियर था क्योंकि मुझे सीरियल नंबर्स चाहिए. अभी मुझे केसेस दुगना बढ़ रहे हैं बोल रहे हैं. दुगना बढ़ रहे हैं मींस इट इज मल्टीप्लाइंग. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम यूजिंग दिस ग्रोथ and the step value will be 2 because it is multiplying by, it is doubling up. So that's why 2. Click OK. You see 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, so on. When it comes to day 30, this much. Here, nothing, but I have written a sum formula. Here, total cases after 30 days. If you want to calculate, use this function called sum. Bracket close, enter. Is this clear?
Yes.
So that's it with fill series. To try all these Excel sheet, share. Did anyone share Excel sheet?
No.
No. Okay. I will do that. I'll share this Excel sheet today so that you can.
Sir, one more thing, sir.
Yeah.
So this is an increasing. This is growth, right? If it is declining, how can we do -2?
-2.
Not possible, right?
Not possible. Why? Because here growth is nothing but multiplication, right?
So division, if I want to do, it's like 0.5. I have to do.
See, only we have an option called growth in that. If you can see that fill series, there is an option to growth only. There is no option to like a decline, or that option is not there in this fill series.
If we select growth and put a step value as 0.5, it will be done, right?
Pardon me, I didn't get you.
No. If we put it as growth, type is growth, and step value is 0.5, it will happen, right?
Wait 1 second.
Yeah.
Like this, you are saying?
Oh, yes.
It will divide, but what is 0.5? Like it is increasing by half.
It is half.
Half.
Yeah. Can you please drag it down?
Generally,
We'll come to 1. No.
it will not come. It will go into minus. So that's what. Generally, it doesn't work that way. But anyway, I'll write the formula, I think.
I don't
No.
know.
Generally declining they won't do. But anyway, this is just to know the option
Okay. Okay.
for growth. That's it. Okay. The next topic is flash fill. This is a very small topic. We'll finish it off today. This particular flash fill, this is only from 2013 version of Excel. Prior to 2013 version, this particular function will not work. If in your office, if in few offices still they use older versions of 2007 or 2009. If anyone uses that, this particular flash fill will not work. From 2013, it will work. So what is this? How we will use, we'll see. For example, we have employee names, right? We have employee names. Here, employee name is first name and last name. First name and last name are there. And we want to extract first name in separate column and last name in separate column. Generally, how we do? This is Swati Matam. So what is her first name? Swati. I have to write it manually. And then in another column, I need to write her last name. Then next Prakash. Then next Rajesh. So on. This will take very long time for me. Yes, I have very lesser number of list here. So maybe I'll finish it off in 1 or 2 minutes. But generally employees details will be like thousands or maybe hundreds minimum. So we can't sit and write manually every name like this. So there is an option to flash fill based on this one, right? So here, if the order is perfect, then we can extract the data. Here, you see, there are only first name and last name in all in this list. So I can extract using this flash fill. Swati. I'll write and click enter, and then I'll just use the shortcut key called Control E. That's it. It has automatically extracted all the other rows based on the first one. Based on this, it has guessed that with this space, before this space, whatever data is there, I need to extract. Based on that, it has extracted all the other employees' names, first name. In the same way, if you want to extract Matam, means the last name, just write the last name. Write it, enter, and Control E. That's it. It will extract all that. Till the last row, it will extract everything. See, you can say, here I have extracted Swati like this. I have written the first letter as uppercase and all the other lowercase. Generally, how it in the master list, how it is with only lowercase, but still I could extract it. Even I can give like this all uppercases. And then Control E. It will extract all the employees, the rest of the employees, and also uppercase. Based on the given pattern only, it will extract it. Whatever requirement you give here, based on that only, it will extract. And to use this flash fill, we need to write that in the adjacent column itself. For example, this is our data. If I am writing Swati here and click Control E, you say, we looked at all the data next to your selection and didn't see a pattern. Means whatever you have written, we have looked around this particular cells and there is no pattern. So to use flash fill, so and so, whatever is there, the active cell, this is the active cell. Beside this only you have to write. Then only it will see the pattern and it will extract. Is that clear? So here I write Swati, Control E. I write the last name, Control E. Fine. Right now, here in our master list, how the employee name is there? First name, space, last name. But somewhere my requirement is first name underscore last name. That too, the first letter should be capital. So whatever is our requirement, I have to write for the first cell. So this is my requirement, Swati underscore Matam. Click enter, Control E. Based on that, it will do the same for rest of the employees. See, once I have extracted the data here, the next cell I'm going, so it will automatically, there is a connect with the master table. Even though I'm not writing this Swati underscore Matam beside this, there is a connect. So it will check the pattern. The Excel will check the pattern from here and it will extract it. Understood, right? In the same way, generally how mail IDs are created, first name dot last name @ company name. So I can generate the mail IDs also. Swati dot Matam @ DataSkills.in. I've written whatever it is. It may be your company name or whatever it is. So whatever is our format, we have to write it in the first cell. Click enter and Control E. It will automatically fill that.
Oh, super.
Here, there are few employee names of few employee email IDs here. I want to extract the company name from this. Right? Swati.matam @ DataSkills, Amazon, Capgemini, so on, Girish.kumar @ Wipro. I want to extract the company names. Yeah, what is the company name? This @ some DataSkills, that is the company name. So DataSkills. I have written and click enter, Control E. Based on this pattern, it will check here and it will extract all these, like Amazon, Capgemini, Wipro, so on. In the same way, here I have the employee names and here there is some serial number. So I want it in this format, 1 underscore Swati space Matam. In this format, I want the output. So I have written like this, Control E. Clear? We will see the requirement. 1 second. So here our requirement is get the data after last backslash. In this particular data, what is the backslash? Sorry, last backslash, this one. So after this, whatever is written, I want the output. So first we have to understand that and we have to write it in the first cell. So I need some product block. Control. It will extract all the other. Fine. Extract company name from this. If there is a website name www.dataskills.in, then what is the company name? DataSkills is the company name. So here Skillser is the company name. So I'll write it in caps. Users separate. అక్కడ ఏముంది పైన ఏం అడిగారు లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ ఏముంది లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ తర్వాత ఏముంది ఫస్ట్ దానిలోనే అదే కదా లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ తర్వాత అంటే ఫస్ట్ ది మనం ఇవ్వాలి కదా ఇస్తేనే కదా అది ప్యాటర్న్ చెక్ చేసి మనకి అవుట్పుట్ ఇస్తుంది సో సమ్ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఏంటండి
already selected.
ఏం సెలెక్టెడ్ ఇది క్వశ్చన్ అండి. దిస్ ఈస్ ద డేటా విచ్ వీ హ్యావ్, దిస్ ఈస్ ద టాస్క్ ఆర్ దిస్ ఈస్ అవర్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్. ఇది అనే ఇది మన క్వశ్చన్ అండి. దిస్ ఈస్ అవర్ ఇన్పుట్ విచ్ వీ హావ్ గివెన్ అండ్ దిస్ ఈస్ అవర్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్. గెట్ ద డేటా ఆఫ్టర్ లాస్ట్ / అనేది మన రిక్వైర్మెంట్. ఈ పర్టికులర్ డేటాలో ఈ ఫస్ట్ రో చూడండి, దీనిలోని లాస్ట్ / తర్వాత ఏమనుంది, అదే కదా మన అవుట్పుట్ ఆడు అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ ప్రకారంగా. సో నేను ఫ్లాష్ ఫిల్ చేయడానికి ఫస్ట్ సెల్లో కంపల్సరీగా నేను ఇవ్వాలి. అప్పుడే ఆ ప్యాటర్న్ తో మిగిలిన ఎన్ని సెల్స్ ఉన్నాయో దానిలోంచి డేటా ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేస్తుంది, రైట్? జనరలీ ఇఫ్ యూ డోంట్ నో ద ఫార్ములా, వాట్ యూ విల్ డూ, యూ హ్యావ్ టు ఎంటర్ ఇట్ ఫర్ ఎవ్రీ సెల్. మీన్స్ దీనికి ఆన్సర్ రాసావు, దాని తర్వాత దీనికి ఏమవుతుంది, సెకండ్ దానికి ఏమవుతుంది, మై పిక్స్ అని వస్తుంది. అంటే నేను మాన్యువల్ గా రాయాలా? ఐ రైట్? నెక్స్ట్ దాని తర్వాత ఎక్సెల్ మెటీరియల్, అది మాన్యువల్ గా రాయాలా? ఇలా మాన్యువల్ గా రాయకుండా నేనేం చేస్తున్నాను, ఫస్ట్ దానికి మాత్రమే నేను నా బుర్ర ఉపయోగిస్తున్నాను. దాని తర్వాత కంట్రోల్ అని కొడుతున్నాను. అప్పుడు ఎక్సెల్ బుర్ర ఉపయోగించి ఎక్సెల్ అవుట్పుట్ ఇస్తాను. అదేనా? ఫస్ట్ దానికి ఆన్సర్ కానీ అవుట్పుట్ కానీ వీ హ్యావ్ టు థింక్ ఫ్రమ్ అవర్ బ్రెయిన్ for the first one. Once you write the first cell, based on that pattern, it will look for the adjacent, whatever is there, pattern check cheskuni, based on that, it will give the output. If you write the first one wrong, then everything will be wrong. See, for example, get the data after last /. What is our output? It is, correct output is some product block. But for example, I have written desktop / some product block. I have written this. And after writing this, Excel will not use its brain, right? Excel, what will do? You have written something. I'll check for the pattern. Based on that only, I'll extract. Based on that only, it'll extract. But as per, this is correct or not? No, this is not correct. Based on our requirement. మనం ఎలా ఇస్తే అలా ఎక్సెల్ ఆ ప్యాటర్న్ నుంచి ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేసి మనకు అవుట్పుట్ ఇస్తుంది. మనం తప్పిస్తే తప్పేస్తాం. సో దట్స్ వై ద ఫస్ట్ సెల్, వాట్ ఎవర్ యు ఆర్ రైటింగ్, వీ హ్యావ్ టు సమ్ ప్రోడక్ట్, వీ హ్యావ్ టు రైట్ ఇట్ కరెక్ట్లీ, దెన్ ఓన్లీ ఇట్ విల్ గివ్ ద కరెక్ట్ అవుట్పుట్. సో ద నెక్స్ట్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ is, here we have a list of websites.
Sir,
and we need to extract company names. Yeah.
Sir, actually, the previous example, no, everything is in the last one, right?
Everything is there. Yes.
Last. But if I want the third one in every thing, how can I do that? If like c.users.karthik, that is the third one, right?
Okay.
And in the next one, it is Raj Kiran. Third one is Rajesh Nair. Can I get it that?
No.
It's not
through flash fill we can't get.
We can't get. Okay.
We have to use formulas.
Formula. Okay.
See,
okay.
I have clearly told this flash fill, it follows a pattern. For example, I'll tell you.
Yeah.
Here it is what to say. Here there are only employee names with first name and last name.
Yeah.
In this particular list, if someone is having first name, middle name, and last name,
Okay.
then this pattern will not work. It will give an error or it will give a wrong output.
Okay.
Why? Because the input also should follow a pattern, then only it will give the same error it will give. If there is a particular pattern only, I can give the output.
Okay.
This is not any formula, right? It is just a function.
Okay.
Just we are writing a control E, it will check for a particular pattern and then it will give the output.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So if there are middle name, etc., then how to extract those all things we'll see in the form. Here also, whatever you asked, I understood. Yes, that will work only in formulas.
Formula. Okay.
So here in this why I am saying pattern is, you see, this is following a pattern when I am extracting the company. Between this dot and between this dot, we are extracting a company name. That is what is our company. And based on that only, it will check for all the other data and it will extract.
Okay. But in the previous also case, na, that is also the third name, na, that is a pattern, right?
No, but there are, see, 1, 2, 3, 4, here 5, here 6, here 7, so on are there, no?
Okay. Oh,
It
okay.
can't,
So-
it can't.
oh, okay. But see, in the some product blog, that is last name. My Pixie's last name. That is also irrespective of the number of backslashes.
No. See, the problem here is if I give desktop, from desktop here, if I give here, it will check for the pattern. There
Okay.
are no particular clear pattern going on here. Last slash, yes,
Okay.
that
Okay,
is
sir.
different thing. Here
Okay.
there are 4 backslashes. Here there are 6 or 7 backslashes. Here there are 3 backslashes, so on. So all the data is not following any particular pattern.
Okay, sir. Yeah. Sure. Okay.
So, yeah, here the requirement is we have some website names and we need to extract the company names. So company name we know between this www dot and between this dot in or .com is our company name. So I am writing skills. I am writing it in capital letters. That is my wish. You can write in small also. Click Control E. It will extract the data. Next, we have few dates here and we need to extract only the year. So 2021, click Control E, it will extract all the years. Here also there are some mobile numbers here, but we want to in a particular format like 4-digit hyphen 3-digit hyphen 3-digit. Select this, give this format and click Control E, it will do the formatting for all the other data. That's it. This is a smaller topic. That's it for today. So if you have any doubts, you can ask.
Sir, yesterday's Excel sheet also not shared, sir. So will you be sharing the entire thing?
Yeah, you're asking whether I will share the Excel sheet or not.
Yeah, this one copy paste special fill series flash.
Yeah. I'll share it today. Today I'll share.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
And one more thing, actually, I need to. Actually, there are very less number of participants. We have in our group also there are. There are 8 or 9 participants, but yesterday the 5 members joined. Today again, I think only 2, and Ramadavi also I think left in between. So the HR, she will coordinate with you guys, and offline also we were expecting a little bit more. So 2 days break we'll take tomorrow and day after tomorrow, and we'll again resume from Monday.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Till then you practice this, and this video also they will share the video and Excel sheet.
Sir, one more thing, sir. Plus these videos will be available, right?
Yeah, video they will share today. Yesterday
Yeah,
video
no.
is already
It
shared.
is shared. It is shared. Like our class is for 30 days, right?
Yes.
So during this entire 30 days, this video will be available or not? Or will you
Yeah,
be
obviously it will be available.
available? No, correct. Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you. Because we are working, so that's
Yeah.
maybe later we have to. Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
it will be available. It will not be like they will not delete it so
It
soon.
will be available for 6 months, sir.
It will be available for 6 months, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay then. Thank you. We'll meet on Monday.
Yes.
Okay.